going to take this wheel cover off before we remove the wheel. Just use a 19mm socket. Loosen up these plastic covers. All right, slide that hubcap off and take the 19mm socket, take the lug nuts off, and pull the wheel off. I'm going to pull these push pins out. They're all on the inner fender well. You don't necessarily have to take them all out. We're going to take them all out so that it's easier to see on video. I'm just going to use the trim tool, take these push pins out. And there's going to be 3 screws right here, here, and here. You're going to want to remove those with a T20. And there's 2 more screws, one here with the T20, one right here, and then 2 more push pins. And actually, you don't have to take that one off. You can just leave that. Now we can grab the inner fender well and slide it out. Take a straight blade screwdriver and just push on this little tab right here, and then you'll be able to pull the lens assembly out this way and then slide it out. Disconnect the connector, push down on the button, and slide it out. Take the new light assembly, take the socket out. These are test bulbs. Take that out. Put a new bulb in, line it up, and lock it back in place. Take the connector, reconnect it, lock that in place, and then this little tab right here is going to go right in there, just like that, and click it in place. And take the inner fender well and reinstall it. Line it up, put the push pins back in. There we go. And take these screws, these 3 screws, and reinstall those. Oops. Take this panel, put that back, and take these screws. Line this up. Get that one started, and this one, get that one started, and snug them up. And one more push pin right there. Lock it in place. Install the wheel. I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a star pattern so that the wheel gets tightened down evenly. Going to go around again, double check. Line up the hubcap and just take the socket and tighten these down. Just do it by hand, otherwise you're going to strip these out.